Take a look at these two pictures. The first one is from New York City. The second one is from Washington, D.C. Notice all the smoke in the air? Well, this smoke was from the Canadian wildfires. So what does this mean? Well, if you were around this summer, you noticed probably a lot of air quality alerts on your cell phone. But to the vehicle and your customer, well, it means particulates in the air. The average size of a particulate from a forest fire is 2.5 microns in diameter. Let's put that into perspective. Bacteria, mold can vary anywhere from 1 micron to 0.3 microns, and these can be trapped by certain cabin air filters. By keeping this out of the interior of the vehicle and potentially your customer's lungs, you are saving them a lot of aggravation, inflammation, and possible lung disease. So even if your shop is not in areas of the country that were directly affected by the Canadian wildfires, it's critical to remember that a cabin air filter is responsible for filtering out particulates in the air before they get into the cabin of the vehicle or even the evaporator case. So it's critical that this is replaced on a regular basis. So recommending cabin air filter replacement for a customer, well, it's mandatory, even if they drive an EV vehicle. But not all cabin air filters are the same. Some can filter particles that are smaller than others. For example, this filter can filter out 99.9% of viruses and other small particulates. To put that into perspective, a virus might be 0.5 microns in diameter. It's very small. Compared to soot and even particulate that comes out of the exhaust pipe of a vehicle, it's typically 2 microns. So these are very effective at filtering out those contaminants before they get to your customer. Also, these premium filters are designed with antiviral and antibacterial technology inside that prevents those viruses and bacteria from hitting these and then growing and causing other problems for the customer. These Canadian wildfires, they might seem a once-in-a-lifetime thing, but we all know that it's going to happen more and more. And also on the roads, pollution, it's going to get worse. So with these cabin air filters, you have something to sell to your customer that is a premium service that does more than just check off something on a maintenance checklist. They're able to give safety to your customers when they drive their vehicle. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.